Welcome to our roundup of the best garden hoe options for removing weeds and keeping your garden clean and healthy. Whether you are dealing with stubborn roots, loose soil, or fast-growing weeds, the right garden hoe can save you time and effort while making the job much more comfortable. We have selected some of the most reliable and easy-to-use tools that combine strong build quality, smart design, and practical features for everyday gardening. In this video, we will break down what makes each tool special, including build strength, comfort, versatility, and how well it performs in real garden conditions. These tools are perfect for home gardeners, hobby growers, and anyone who wants a cleaner, more manageable garden without using chemicals. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the product links and the best deals. Let's get started and find the perfect garden hoe for your needs. The first on the list is the CKLT 2-in-1 Garden Hoe and Weed Puller Rake. This tool is designed for gardeners who want versatility and efficiency in one simple package. Its dual-purpose design, sharp forged steel head, and long ergonomic handle make it a very practical choice for everyday weeding and soil work. With one side working as a hoe for cutting through weeds and loosening soil, and the other side acting as a rake for pulling out roots and debris, this tool saves you from constantly switching between tools. The steel head feels solid and durable, and it cuts through compacted soil and thick weed roots with less effort than many basic hoes. In real use, the CKLT performs especially well in vegetable gardens and flower beds, where weeds tend to grow close to plants. You can carefully loosen the soil, then flip the tool and pull out the weeds without disturbing nearby plants too much. The long handle helps reduce bending, which means less strain on your back during longer gardening sessions. The grip is comfortable and does not slip easily, even if your hands get a bit sweaty or dirty. Another nice advantage is how well balanced the tool feels. It is not too heavy, so you can use it for a long time without getting tired, but it still has enough weight to dig in and do real work. The head is firmly attached, so it does not wobble during use, which adds to the feeling of control and safety. Overall, this is a very reliable and practical garden tool for anyone who wants one tool that can handle both loosening soil and pulling weeds efficiently. Next up is the UEJIP Garden Hoe. This hoe is built for gardeners who want a simple but strong tool that focuses on doing one job very well. Its heavy-duty steel construction, wide cutting blade, and comfortable long handle make it a dependable choice for clearing weeds and preparing soil. The blade is wide enough to cover more ground with each swing, which helps you finish your work faster, especially in larger garden areas. When you start using the UEJIP, the first thing you notice is how solid it feels. The steel blade bites into the soil easily and slices through weed roots cleanly instead of just bending them. This means fewer weeds grow back, and you spend less time going over the same area again and again. It works well both for chopping weeds on the surface and for loosening the top layer of soil before planting. The handle length is also a big plus. It allows you to work in a more upright position, which is much more comfortable for your back and shoulders. The grip feels secure and does not cause discomfort even after longer sessions. While this tool does not have extra features like a second head or folding parts, its strength is in its simplicity and reliability. Overall, this is a great choice for gardeners who want a tough, no-nonsense hoe that gets the job done quickly and effectively. Next, we have the Coconut Garden Hoe. This tool is designed with ease of use and everyday gardening in mind. Its lightweight build, sharp precision blade, and balanced handle design make it a very comfortable option for regular garden maintenance. If you often do shorter but frequent gardening sessions, this hoe feels easy to pick up and use without feeling heavy or tiring. The blade is sharp enough to cut through weeds and small roots without much effort, and it works especially well in softer or moderately compacted soil. It's also great for shaping soil, making small trenches, and cleaning up around plants. Because the tool is lighter, you have more control over your movements, which is helpful when working close to flowers or vegetables that you don't want to damage. Another thing that stands out is how well balanced it feels in your hands. It does not feel front heavy, so your wrists don't get tired quickly. The handle is smooth and comfortable to hold, and it provides a good grip even if your hands get a bit sweaty or dirty. While it may not be the best choice for extremely hard or rocky soil, it shines in regular garden beds and home gardens. Overall, this is a comfortable, easy-to-use hoe that is perfect for gardeners who want a light and precise tool for daily weeding and soil work. At number 2, we have the Lily Vane Garden Hoe. This is a more advanced and versatile tool designed for gardeners who want both power and flexibility. Its adjustable handle system, strong multi-purpose head, and rust-resistant build make it a very attractive option for long-term use. One of its biggest advantages is that you can adjust the handle length to match your height or the type of work you're doing, which greatly improves comfort. In use, the Lily Vane Garden Hoe feels very sturdy and confident. The head is strong enough to break through tougher soil and remove deeply rooted weeds. It also works well for loosening soil, mixing compost, and cleaning up garden beds before planting. Because of the adjustable handle, you can use it comfortably whether you're working in raised beds, open ground, or tighter spaces. The build quality is another strong point. The materials feel durable and the tool does not show signs of bending or loosening even after repeated use. The rust-resistant coating also helps keep it in good condition over time, even if you sometimes forget to clean it right away after working in wet soil. While it's slightly lighter than simpler hoes, the added power and flexibility more than make up for it. Overall, this is an excellent all-around garden hoe for people who want one strong and adaptable tool for many different gardening tasks. The last one on our list is the Nikoi Weed Puller Tool. This is a specialized tool made for gardeners who want to remove weeds more completely and with less effort. Its deep-reaching claw design, strong leverage system, and comfortable long handle make it a very attractive option from traditional hoes. Instead of just cutting weeds at the surface, this tool is designed to grab them by the root and pull them out entirely. This means the weeds are much less likely to grow back, which saves you a lot of time in the long run. It works especially well on dandelions and similar deep-rooted weeds that are hard to remove with a normal hoe. The long handle and smart leverage design also means you don't have to bend down as much, which is great for your back and knees. The grip is comfortable and the tool feels strong and well built. While it's not meant for loosening large areas of soil like a traditional hoe, it's one of the best tools you can have for targeted weed removal. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for gardeners who are tired of weeds coming back and want a more permanent and satisfying solution. So that's our roundup of the best garden hose and weed removal tools you can get right now. Each of these tools offers something unique whether you want versatility, strength, comfort, or precision weed removal. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful gardening and home improvement guides. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening and take good care of your garden.